Just a quick emergency video as the Bitcoin bulls make the bears run for their money by putting in 8 closing days of nothing but green candles. If you'd like to know more, then continue watching this video till the end as I give you a quick update and breakdown of this analysis on the #1 cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. What's up guys, it's CryptoNelly here. My name is Nelson, and if you're new to this channel then please hit that like button, subscribe and turn on that bell notification so I can continue to make videos like this for you. Also, if you've been to this channel before, which a lot of you have, and continue to watch my videos and find value in it, then please help me by getting that YouTube algorithm going so my channel can reach my first goal of 1,000 subscribers. So without further ado, let's get started. Bitcoin has gone phenomenally crazy. It's put in 8 green daily candles at the moment, as you can see, up 34.9%, approximately $14,258 for the past 8 days. As you can see, from about May the 10th to about the 27th, we had about a 49% drop. That was for about 17 days. We lost about $28,970, and on the RSI it went down into the oversold territory to about 20, and we sort of consolidated for about from the 24th of May approximately all the way through to the 23rd of July, so approximately about 1 month of consolidation going sideways. And then that golden cross was put in from about over there, which was around May, and usually it dumps a little bit and then consolidates and then goes back up. And ever since the 22nd of July, we've had that slow consolidation, and we've moved up approximately 82% over 77 days. Bitcoin bears, they thought they had it, but then the bulls took over, and now we had that last of the 7 days, as I mentioned earlier, or 8 days. It's about 35% worth, and now we're waiting for the next leg up. We'll probably come back down a little bit to consolidate, and then move up to our next target, which is that all-time high of around 64,000, which was back in mid-April. Well, it looks like this little part in the history of Bitcoin is playing out again. If I get the measuring ruler and take it down, we had about a 28% drop back in January 2021, and if we get the ruler again from September, we sort of had that little drop as well, and it's almost about the same sort of distance, 25-26%. And this next massive leg run up seems to look like it's playing out again over here, which was pretty much copying the same as what we did back in January 21 to February. That's 84% run up of 27,000 approximately. And if we were to do that again from here, from as of 8 days ago, 84% rise will take us up to approximately $76,000. And the 84% rise back in January 2021, well, took about approximately 25 days worth, 24 days. And if that was going to happen from 8 days ago, 25 days, you're looking at yeah, about the same, about $33,000 rise as of from today, pretty much, which takes us up to about $76,000. And now over to CoinMarketCap. So with this Bitcoin run up, the rest of the altcoins are also in the green, but with the overall market cap we're sitting over $2.3 trillion with a trader volume of $144 billion, and Bitcoin dominance moving up at 44.4%. Number one Bitcoin is now sitting at $54,196, up 6% as of 24 hours. Number two is Ethereum, 3,560, up 5.28%. Number three, Binance, $443, up 5.14%. Cardano in the fourth place at $2.31, up 7.43%. So as you can see, all of the most of the cryptocurrencies are all in the green, except for a couple of them in the red, Avalanche and Binance USD. Just to give you more of a visual effect around the crypto bubbles. Obviously, the bigger the bubble, the bigger the rise. So if you look at Shiba Inu, up 351%, XYM 124%, Phantom 49.6%, ICX 43%, Axis Infinity 65.4%. So most of the cryptocurrencies are all in the green at the moment, looking very good. And so to sum it up, we could see Bitcoin up 85%, $35,000 in the next 27 to 28 days. By the end of October, we could see Bitcoin at $76,000. And if this bull cycle continues, another leg up could be further. We could go into the $100,000 range, as predicted by a lot of analysts. If this Bitcoin bull run continues on for the rest of October, or they call it Uptober, since September was quite bearish with all cryptocurrencies, we could see all the other altcoins follow through. Stable coins, eGold is doing nicely, putting in higher lows. Cardano is doing the same thing. And I tell you what, Shiba Inu for the past 6 days has closed all green candles and is up 380% since then. Also guys, please check down in the description area where there's a link to sign up for the Maiar wallet and get $10 worth of eGold upon sign up. Also other affiliated links with sign up bonuses for some of the exchanges listed there, and another link to get a Ledger Nano or X to store all your favorite cryptocurrency. As you know, it's safer to store them off the exchanges, and you're better off using your own phrase words rather than the exchanges. So that's pretty much it for this emergency video on Bitcoin. Please like, comment and subscribe down below so you can help me reach my first goal of 1,000 subscribers. And just remember guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I make this video only for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please do your own due diligence research before making any informed financial decisions. Also, please check out my other social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and TikTok for latest videos and updates like this one of Bitcoin and other related cryptocurrencies and the news. Thank you guys for watching. I'm signing out, and I'll see you in the next video.